All right, today is Monday, April 24th, and the markets are a little bit lower here today as we start this Monday. As we get started here, I just want to give you a heads up that next week is May, and in our continuing effort to help protect you, I would like to personally invite you to participate in our complimentary shredding month. Throughout the month of May, you can bring your unwanted and unneeded documents to our office, and we will take care of shredding them for you. It's that easy. Now, you might be wondering, what documents should you keep and what documents can you toss? Well, we put together a handy keep it or toss it guide to answer that question for you. And you can get this complimentary copy of this guide at our website, investwithccg.com. And so head on over to the website, download that guide as you go through the different documents that you want to bring to our office, again, for the month of May, that you would like to have us shred for you. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks remained resilient last week amid mixed earning reports, hawkish Fed speak, and lingering recession fears, closing out the 5 trading days with small losses. The Dow Jones Industrials Average slipped 0.23%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 lost 0.1%. The NASDAQ Composite Index fell 0.42% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, added 0.1%. Stocks traded most of last week around the flat line as investors grappled with several headwinds. The first was disappointing earnings results, coupled with the absence of earnings guidance from some companies due to an uncertain economic climate. Weak economic data, including declines in housing and leading economic indicators, also weighed on investor sentiment. And finally, multiple Fed officials spoke last week, signaling that inflation remained too high and that further rate hikes may be likely. Underneath the seemingly placid surface of the major market indices, there was substantial price action at the individual stock and sector level. Poor earnings results hit communication services stocks and regional banks, while margin pressures put pressure on auto stock valuations. Two housing reports reflected ongoing fragility in the housing market and Fed prevailing economic slowdown worries. Sales of new homes fell 0.8% in March, dragged down by a 5.2% slide in new multifamily home construction. Sales of single-family homes were a bright spot, rising 2.7% to a 3-month high, though that hopeful note was tempered by an 8.8% drop in new application permits, which is an indicator of future new home building. Existing home sales also suffered a month-over-month decline in March, falling 2.4%. Sales plummeted 22% from March 2022 levels as higher mortgage rates and tight inventories impacted affordability. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening, and we will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. This week, we have a busy week. We are watching a number of different things. Tomorrow, we have consumer confidence and new home sales. On Wednesday, we have durable goods orders being reported. Thursday, we have the GDP, the gross domestic product report, as well as jobless claims. And then Friday, we have personal income and outlays, as well as consumer sentiment. We are in the thick of earnings season. A lot of companies reporting earnings. So here's a snapshot of some of the companies that we are watching this week. If we are not managing your life savings for you, I invite you to learn more about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. This week on Thursday, I'm doing a deep dive into Social Security. So if you have not yet taken Social Security or you are within 5 years of doing so, I invite you to join me. For a married couple, there are 82 combinations of how and when you take your Social Security income. One of those is the best, one of those is the worst, and I want you to get everything you deserve. So you can head on over to www.capitalclassroom.com. You'll see the event posted there, and you can RSVP for this event. Today, I will be live on Thursday giving this presentation, and the recording will be available thereafter. Okay, that is it for today's update. Thank you for so much for staying until the end today. I've got another riddle for you. And again, if you are the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, I've had a lot of you actually messaging me directly the answers to these riddles. But if you want to win the Coffee on Us gift card, you do need to post that answer down below this video, again on LinkedIn, YouTube, on Facebook, or now also on Twitter. So post the answer down below this video, and the first one of you to do that, we will send a gift card for Coffee on Us. I've been a little loose on those direct messages, but I got to tighten that up. So again, don't message me directly. Send those post those answers below this video on the platform of your choice. All right. So today's riddle is: it can be told, made, cracked, and played, yet it is only spoken. What is it? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video on your favorite social media platform, and we will send you a gift card for Coffee on Us. If you would like the answers to previous week's riddles, you can go to our website /riddles. I've also got links to these videos on there as well. And you can get the answers to previous week's riddles there as well. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. This week includes a frequently asked question section on tax benefits and credits specifically for retirees. So if you are not getting this email and you would like to, head on over to our website, investwithccg.com, and you can subscribe. You can put in your name and your email right there. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.